Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined this morning by Bloomberg's Isabel Lee on a very interesting morning at the micro level. We got some news on Nvidia that's popping that stock. Good morning, Isabel.
Good morning. Definitely lots to choose from today, Nathan. So we're starting with Nvidia. Shares are rising around 1.5% pre-market. Bloomberg has this scoop wherein Chinese officials have told the largest firms in China, this includes Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance, that they can prepare orders for Nvidia's H200 AI chips. So this suggests that Beijing is close to formally approving imports of components essential to running AI. That's according to people familiar with the matter. And this means Beijing will encourage companies to buy a certain amount of domestic chips as a conditional approval. So the government is obviously prioritizing the needs of major Chinese hyperscalers. But what does this mean for Nvidia? It's definitely a major win because Nvidia has been angling for years to resume business with the world's largest semiconductor. We have CEO Jensen Huang saying that the AI chip segment alone could generate $50 billion in the coming year. So that's definitely an eye-popping number.
Yeah, definitely big news for Nvidia as well. It's taken the market as a whole off session lows, but Intel still a big drag this morning after earnings.
It's down by 13%. It extended its losses yesterday. I also talked about this after the market closed, and it was also in the red. So the company reported uninspiring earnings, and we have the CEO, Lip-Bu Tan, giving a lackluster forecast. He also warned that the chipmaker was struggling with manufacturing problems. So we have first quarter projections for revenue and earnings, really both short of Wall Street estimates. And in the conference, the analysts, we have Lip-Bu Tan saying that, it would take time and resolve to turn around the company. Of course, that sent the shares down even further. We have production snags really hampering a big comeback bid. We know for years Intel has been trying to gain back their market share, to gain back their edge against Nvidia. But the report yesterday was just big disappointment for investors who are really hoping for a boost.
Staying with tech, we heard from Tesla CEO Elon Musk making some headlines at the World Economic Forum at Davos. Is that moving the stock this morning?
Just down by 0.2%. But yes, Tesla really made a lot of headlines. We know that Elon Musk's presence in itself was surprising because for years he called the World Economic Forum in Davos boring. But now he said that Tesla will sell its Optimus robots to the public by the end of next year. So that's a concrete timeline. The company is already using some of those robots to do simple factory tasks. But Musk said that Optimus would be doing more complex tasks by the end of 2026. Sales to the public will begin when Tesla is, quote, confident that it's very high reliability, very high safety, and the range of functionality is also very high. That's Musk saying that. So again, this is a concrete timeline because Musk sees this as a key focus for Tesla going forward. We know he has big plans for his company, and we know that Tesla's core business of selling cars has suffered from a stale product lineup and just in general, a loss of EV incentives in the U.S.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.